What if I told you the way we farm today could either save or destroy our planet tomorrow? In this video, we are diving into sustainable agriculture, a smarter, greener way to grow food that feeds the world without hurting it. Let's explore how farmers can protect the earth and make it living. Let's first understand the term sustainable agriculture. Sustainable agriculture is more than organic farming or skipping pesticides. It's a farming method that balances profit, people, and the planet. Think of it as a farming practice that doesn't harm the future to feed the present. It means growing crops and raising animals in such a way that it helps to protect natural resources, also helps in boosting soil health, support the local communities, and reduce the carbon emissions. Then, why do we need the sustainable agricultural farming practices? The truth is, conventional farming methods are damaging our soil, polluting water, and contributing to climate change. Agriculture alone makes up about 25% of global greenhouse gas emissions. Due to fertilizer overuse, it leads to dead zones in our rivers. We are draining the groundwater faster than nature can replace it. Now it's time to learn key techniques of sustainable agriculture. Here we are discussing the top 5 techniques of transforming agriculture sustainably. Crop rotation and diversity. Crop rotation and diversity improve soil health, reduce pest and diseases, enhance biodiversity, and increase long-term productivity in sustainable agriculture. Integrated pest management. Integrated pest management reduces chemical use, preserves beneficial insects, and promotes ecological balance, enhancing sustainability in agricultural ecosystems. Composting and organic fertilizers. Composting and organic fertilizers enrich soil naturally, reduce chemical dependency, recycle farm waste, and promote healthy, sustainable crop production system. Drip irrigation. Drip irrigation conserves water, reduces evaporation and runoff, delivers nutrients efficiently, and supports sustainable crop growth in water-scarce agricultural regions. Cover cropping. Cover cropping prevents soil erosion, improves fertility, suppresses weeds, enhances biodiversity, and builds resilient, sustainable farming systems over time. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe this video.